In Chicago. Today's top story is about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is one of the latest rainforests in the world, and it is located in the northern hemisphere of South America. Our reporter Anna Howard has interviewed one group that requires the Amazon rainforest to sustain their way of life. The cattle ranchers. The cattle ranchers have been in the rainforest to sustain their way of life. The cattle ranchers have been in the rainforest since the 1960s and produce almost all of their meat. Now to you, Anna. Thanks, Generic News Anchor. I'm here with two of the residents that are cattle ranchers. Their names are Jeremiah and Augusta.
Howdy.
Hello.
Well, first off, would you mind answering a few questions?
Not at all.
Well, first off, you two don't sound very from South America. Where are you from?
We're both from Texas, the best place in the world.
Yep, it's way better than this forest. This big forest place. It has too many lizards and trees.
So, how many cows do you have?
We've got about 10 million billion cows.
That is a whole lot of beef.
She meant to say 10. We have 10 cows.
Oh, that isn't very many. Why do you have so few?
Because we just sold them all to McDoodles.
Well, what exactly are you looking for in the Amazon jungle?
We needed more space for our cattle because Texas didn't have enough space for us.
What are the names of your horses?
Well, mine is named Rusty.
Mine is named Soap.
That's so interesting. So, what do you do here for fun?
I shoot lizards with my trusty armadillo gun.
And I dance.
Could you show me some of your dance moves?